Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you step-by-step how you can make at least $500 every single month using ChatGPT in 2025. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time online income, these 5 proven methods will help you get started. No coding or advanced skills required. Let's dive right into it. 1. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. Step 1. Create an account on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or People Per Hour. Step 2. Offer services like blog writing, email writing, or social media captions. Step 3. Use ChatGPT to draft high-quality content based on client requests. Step 4. Edit and personalize the content slightly for better results and to match client tone. Step 5. Deliver your work, get reviews, and increase your pricing over time. Tip: offer fast delivery for extra income. 2. Selling ebooks created with ChatGPT. Step 1. Choose a niche you're passionate about or that sells well, e.g., health, finance, self-help. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to outline and write a 15 to 30 page ebook. Step 3. Design a simple cover using Canva or similar free tools. Step 4. Publish your ebook on Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or Etsy. Step 5. Promote on TikTok, Instagram, or through simple Facebook ads. Tip: reinvest early profits into marketing to scale sales faster. 3. Creating and selling ChatGPT prompts. Step 1. Use ChatGPT regularly to discover high-performing and unique prompts. Step 2. Organize these prompts into bundles for different use cases, e.g., productivity, marketing, storytelling. Step 3. Create a simple Notion template or PDF with the prompts. Step 4. List them for sale on PromptBase or Etsy. Step 5. Share sneak peeks of your prompt bundles on social media to drive sales. Tip: use SEO-friendly titles and descriptions to get found easily. 4. YouTube script writing for creators. Step 1. Look for YouTubers who need help writing scripts. Search on Reddit, Discord, or freelancer sites. Step 2. Offer to write engaging, optimized scripts with ChatGPT's help. Step 3. Use a consistent structure: hook, body, call to action, and add personality. Step 4. Deliver scripts in Google Docs and offer revisions for premium clients. Step 5. Once you build a reputation, you can charge $50+ per script. Tip: offer a free sample script to get your first client fast. 5. Affiliate marketing using ChatGPT. Step 1. Pick a high-paying affiliate program, e.g., digital tools, courses, or AI platforms. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to help create product reviews, comparison articles, or tutorials. Step 3. Publish content on a blog, Medium, or Quora with your affiliate links. Step 4. Use ChatGPT to generate engaging social media captions to promote your content. Step 5. Track performance and scale what works best. Tip: focus on recurring commissions for long-term income. We hope this video helped you get started on your journey to earning $500 or more per month using ChatGPT. All of these methods can grow over time, so stay consistent, experiment, and keep learning. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials on making money online with AI tools like ChatGPT. See you in the next video.